43.5 million rands stolen, and Lepelle Nkumpi municipality blame its audit team. Now this one is an insult. 43.5 million of public money is flagged as irregular, and instead of arrests, resignations and accountability, the leaders at Lepelle Nkumpi local municipality says it's the audit team's fault. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the Auditor General of South Africa released a report, and that report exposes 43.5 million in irregular spending at Lepelle Nkumpi municipality in Limpopo. Now, if you have no idea how irregular spending takes place, in simple terms, this means that rules were broken, it means that processes were ignored, contracts were handled illegally, and money was spent outside the law. Now, 43.5 million rands is not just an oops moment, I made a mistake. This is serious financial misconduct. And instead of the mayor and senior officials say we failed the people, they say the internal audit unit should have caught it. So if we get this right, it means that they can break the law, they can misuse money, they can approve illegal spending. Then when they are exposed, they now want to blame the people who report wrongdoing. That's like crashing a car and blaming the speedometer. Because audits do not approve tenders, audits do not sign contracts, audits do not release payments, and audits do not control bank accounts. Audits only report. The people with power are the mayor, the municipal manager, the finance department. So if 43.5 million was irregular spent, the questions are simple. Who approved it? Who signed for it? And who benefited? And those are the questions that no one seems to be answering. And when leaders start attacking auditors, it means one thing. They don't want oversight. They don't want transparency, and they don't want consequences. The Auditor General is not your enemy. The Auditor General is the only reason we even know this money disappeared. If auditors are silenced, looting becomes normal. The 43.5 million could have fixed broken roads. It could have improved water supply. It could have supported clinics and schools. It could have helped poor communities. Instead, it went into irregular spending, and now leaders want us to argue about who should have noticed instead of who should be arrested. And this is how corruption survives. You delay, you play the blame game, you confuse the public, and you move on like nothing happened. Unfortunately, Lepelle Nkumpi is not unique. Across South Africa, municipalities do the same thing. They break the supply chain laws, they ignore procurement rules, they reward friends and comrades, then they cry out that the Auditor General, then they cry when the Auditor General arrives. The report is not the problem, the behavior is the problem. It's so sad that the mayors in our own municipalities think that public money has no owner. If you can waste 43.5 million and still sit comfortably in office, then corruption is not a bug in the system. It is the system. Until people are fired, charged, jailed, these reports will keep coming, the money will keep disappearing, and the communities will keep suffering. And to answer your question, yes, Lepelle Nkumpi is led by the ANC. What are your thoughts?